Import your picture. To cut out the background, just follow these easy steps. Click on the ellipse tool and draw a circle by holding the Shift on the keyboard. Now fill in with any color of your choice. Now place the picture layer above the circle or shape layer. Create a clipping mask. Select the layer and duplicate. Now pick a different color. Rasterize the layer. Now pick the selection tool and cut out part of the selected shape layer. Merge the shape layers and create a clipping mask. Now go to blending options. Now tick the stroke option. Select the size you want and click OK. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.